I'd like to thank you for joining us for the presentation on the AM-15. The unit here is a 15-gallon, so it's a wide area sprayer. Much different than a lot of the electrostatic sprayers and other sprayers on the market that have very limited use because of the size of the tank that they have, whether it be a small quart to a 4-gallon backpack. This has 15 gallons, and the 15 gallons gives you a 3.5 hour continuous usage of the machine. So very, very productive and extremely easy to maneuver, operate, especially with the length of hoses that come available with this as options. This machine has a compressor on board. Unlike most machines that are using a standard wet PSI pump in it and changing the tip at the head, this one has a compressor that is continually providing you with a consistent spray as you use the machine. It comes with a 9-foot cable, and you could put extensions on it so that you can utilize this as your main source. A 15-gallon tank where you'll put your EPA endless registered disinfectant. You can dilute it in here. In some cases, the chemicals are ready to use, where you would put your ready to use chemical in here and then shut the lid. If you could see in the back, the panel, once you get your machine, you'll notice that this is in this position right here. So don't be alarmed if you plug it in, get it all set, and click the compressor on, and you're not getting any spray out from your unit. You got to make sure you open it up. Everything needs to be in this direction, unidirectional. To get to your back, it's a very simple turn and open up. You have a air-driven pump. You also have a filter here which is easily accessible and changeable. You have your screen filter right here. As the machine's being used, the air is coming in the blue, and then the chemical is coming in the red. And what it does is, this happens to be a 25-foot coiled hose that comes with the machine today. We are going to switch to a 100-foot standard in the future. So your machine will come equipped with a 100-foot standard hose. In the operating mode, you want to make sure that you turn your switch on so that again, the blue is the air, it's coming in to your tool. The red is the chemical coming into your tool. It mixes here and provides you with a consistent spray. When you're using a 25-foot coiled hose, the microns on our third-party testing is about 40 microns. In this case, you would buy 100 foot. Coupled with that, you get 125 feet. That's going to give you an excess of 50 micron. So the longer the hose, the higher the micron as far as on the output. This is how simple it is to hook up an extension to your existing AM-15 with your 25-foot hose. You basically take your connectors, snug and pull, and snug and pull. Take your hose and make sure you pull them apart like that, so you got enough spread in it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come to your back, and remember now that the blue is the air. So what you want to do is you want to just come in here and pull so it's secure, and then come in here with your red, pull in, pull out. So it's a very easy way to extend your hose and enable you to go further away from the machine and be highly productive. You can go up to about 225 feet away from your main source, which is your 15-gallon unit, to do a considerable amount of spraying and being highly productive.